guys, so let's learn how to play this beautiful song by Kamleya using our flute. Okay, so I just use my G bass flute, but I'm not gonna use this flute to teach you because I'm gonna use my C scale flute, which means in Sri Lanka we call it double G flute, C natural medium. So actually the original scale of this song goes on D major, and if we play that on original scale, we have to play C sharp and also F sharp. So F sharp, it's a bit okay, but when we use C sharp, it's a little bit hard. So I transposed the scale of this song D major to C major. So in C major scale we don't have any flat or sharp notes, so only natural notes. So I hope you guys will able to play on this scale very easily. So let's learn how to play this song, and the notation you guys can get it from my WhatsApp channel, link in the description, so check it. So let's get started. I only cover and I only gonna teach you how to play the chorus part, okay? And let's get started. First line goes like that. Ga ma dha pa ma ga. Only natural notes, no any sharps and flat notes, only natural notes, okay? Ga ma dha pa ma ga. One more time. Ga ma dha pa ma ga. Then ga pa sa ni da ni dha pa. Ga pa sa ni da ni dha pa. Okay, and third line. Okay, pa ni sa da sa ni ri sa da pa ma. Pa ni sa da sa ni ri sa da pa ma. And then mama dha pa pa ma ga. Mama dha pa ma ga. Okay, let's play that line four lines for one more time. And then let's repeat the same lines but have some little bit difference on some lines. So once again, for second time when we play ga ma dha pa, that line we have to add one more pa, like ga ma dha pa pa ma ga. First time we played only like ga ma dha pa ma ga, but now we have to play ga ma dha pa pa ma ga, like that. Okay, and then next line. Ga pa sa ni da ni da pa. Ga pa sa ni da ni dha pa. And then just as we played before, only same notes, okay? Like that. Now let's move to the next part. And actually if we played like original, we have to play this part on higher notes like sa re ga ma, every note's on higher range. But when we play ma, we have to touch pa also, like that. So in higher range we cannot do that perfectly, so I recommend this part to play on middle range. We don't have to play it on higher range because it's a little bit hard to play beautifully, because we have to touch some notes like pa to ma. And I will teach you how to play this part on middle range, okay? Not in higher range, but notes in higher range, but you guys can use middle notes to play this part also, okay? So okay, Sa ri ri ga ri ga ri ga ri ri sa sa. Sa ri ri ma ga re sa. One more time. Sa ri ri ga ri ga ri ga ri sa. Sa ri ri ma ga re sa. And then okay. Sa ri ri ga ri ga ri ga ni sa ni da pa. Sa ri ri ga ri ga ni sa ni dha pa. Just watch one more time, okay? Like that. And we have to repeat the same lines, but not third line, okay? We have to change the third line, but first two lines we have to repeat as same. Like that. I say that we have to touch pa when we play ma. It's additional alankar. It gives additional alankar, but like this. Like that. Okay, so if you guys want to touch pa, just tap on pa and just come to ma, okay? And then third line change like this. Sa ri ri ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa pa. Sa ri ri ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ni ri sa ni da pa. We can play it like sa ni da pa pa or ri sa together, sa ni da pa, like that, okay? So let's play this one fully like this. Like that. So I hope you guys will be able to play this song easily after watching this video. So if you guys find this video very useful, please hit a like and comment what you think about this video. So let's meet in another video. Until that, keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.